And yet you have tried and tried to lose weight by taking so many kinds of pills, diet drinks, etc. And yet nothing seems to work out for you. I know that pain you are going through, but I found the solution. It's called Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. I have done a lot of research on this, and here is what I have found. With the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, you get ancient Japanese discovery milk 54 pounds of fat 1. It's called EGCG, a plant compound found in green and white tea. 2. Piperine extracted from black pepper 3. Inulin is extracted from the chicory plant root 4. Hibiscus saberifa. Fruits and berries 1. Aronia berry 2. Acai berry 3. Mulberry 4. Then 1. Shilajit.